Welcome to our channel, Food Enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the art of sashimi and how to make sashimi sushi. Let's get started. Sashimi is a traditional Japanese dish that showcases thinly sliced, raw seafood or fish. It highlights the pure and delicate flavors of the fresh ingredients, served without any additional seasoning or cooking. Now, let's talk about making sashimi sushi. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Start with the freshest fish or seafood you can find, like tuna, salmon, yellowtail, or shrimp. Slice the fish into thin, uniform pieces using a sharp knife. Prepare sushi rice by washing it thoroughly and cooking it according to the package instructions. Mix it gently with rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Take a small portion of the sushi rice and shape it into a compact, oval-shaped mound with slightly wet hands. Place a slice of fish or seafood on top of the rice, ensuring it covers the rice entirely. Press the fish and rice together gently, allowing them to meld. Place the sashimi sushi on a serving plate and it's ready to be enjoyed. With these steps and tips, you can confidently create delicious sashimi sushi at home. Don't be afraid to try new combinations and techniques. Enjoy the process and the final results. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more exciting culinary adventures. Happy cooking!